Rocky Road just grosses me out. I don't like Oreo biscuits.
There's a bird in my garage. Hi, little birdie. Don't attack me because you think I'm going for your eggs. Oh, my God. Hi, bird. Oh, my God, and it's not going away. Come on. Come on, bud. That was funny. I mean, it's starting to get like better weather, you know, like warm. Yesterday, I'm staring at the bushes. I'm guessing that there's a gopher somewhere around our yard. And at the base of the bush, underneath the mulch, it's going like this. I'm like, I go, honey, grab her. Come out there. Come here. What? 15 minutes, she's staring on. I really don't say anything. I'm like, it's not moving right now, but it will, I swear. And here comes the bird again.
Are you being terrorized by wildlife?
Damn.
What kind of bird is it?
It's a tweet bird, I don't know.
Like, is it a robin? Is it a finch? I mean, is it a hawk? I'd be concerned if it was a hawk. Well, you're out in California. Is it a condor?
If it is, man.
Like the wingspan.
I'm trying to talk to the bird, maybe.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're here with Steve Beards and Woods. He'll be taking some time to talk to the animals and maybe say something to them. And look, I don't know, the bird is going for it. I don't think we have anything to do here but watch him whistle at a bird. And now,
it's gone.
You looked more.
I told it to fly away. It's an interesting species.